Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and I thought I'd go ahead and finish up this Battle Cats, and I'm only going to do the top. So I picked a font that's just Arial bold, and it's the font, it's not the font, it's pretty close. So to do a text path on this object, there's really no path. Now you could create a circle, but one thing you could do is take the Smart Fill tool and fill in that void. Left click, right click, take your shape tool and select it all and go and break curve apart. Then we can take the shape tool and select all these shapes, and what it did, it's broken the nodes apart so you can clean it up. So now you have that arch. So I'm going to take the Battle Cat, bring it over a little closer. It might be a little bit big, but you really never know until you do it. I'm gonna say it's a little bit big, so let's reduce it a little bit. Then I'm going to go up to text, and I'm going to fit to path, and that might just be perfect. Now, because we've nudged it, we can nudge it back. We'd actually want to break that text apart, get rid of that line. I'm going to nudge it because I didn't know if I got it or not, and then nudge this back. Now the Battle Cats is a little bit high, and because our path is gone, we can just lift it up. And then we're going to change our nudge distance to 0.001, and we'll just nudge it up ever so slightly. Now that would look good, or you could do reverse engraving, which this kind of is, and just left click, right click. I do it in hairline, it's in red just so I can see it. And then you could take your Smart Fill tool and fill in the voids, which there aren't too many in that. And then of course I would select it all and left click no outline, so it would not cut out. I think that looks pretty good. There's a little bit, you could do a little separation with this, black part. There's a lot you could do with it, but that looks pretty good. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.